All right, I want to do a quick little rundown on this 4-cylinder Cummins. I've never seen a welder that I know of that has a 4-cylinder P-pump twin turboed Cummins on their welder. This is a set of compounds that I got from Industrial Injection. This motor is head studded, and this is an Industrial Injection P-pump that we put on this motor. This is a great little welder. It welds all day long. It runs on the same fuel that runs on the tank in the truck, and it runs on the same cooling system. So this is an electric pump right here that runs the water through here out of the radiator on the truck. Okay, so this right here is an SA200 is what it is. All the Lincoln welders come with this, either SA250, SA200. This was off like an old pipeline welding machine, and we adapted it to the 4-cylinder Cummins. This was a good welder. It's got copper windings in it, so they actually weld really well. As you can see right here, I was telling you about the fuel system on it. This one right here is the same tank that runs the truck and the motor that's on here. And here's the fuel pump, the fast fuel system that runs both of them. So this keeps up with both the welder and the truck right here. Here's my welding leads out here. I got this old hand forged vise. It's probably from the turn of the century. I don't use it, but it looks cool on here. These are the torches right here. Actually, my oxyacetylene. I have used these. I use them quite a bit, actually, if I'm out somewhere and I need to cut something. These tanks right here are not actually nitrous. These are my air tanks. This has a compressor on it right here. It's engine driven off the front case, and it creates air pressure down into these tanks so I can run power tools if I want. This is the drill press. If I have to get off the back here and drill some holes, I can. I've got my anvil right here, hammers down there. There's a vise. It's really set up for work. You see the back of the bed's all cut out with a piece of angle in there, so I can lay pipe or square tubing in there and weld butt joints together. So this truck's actually set up to do some work, but I don't even have time to work. I'm so busy working, I can't even work. I don't know how to explain that.